doesn't love Nuwara? This place is home to many things, and people will not hate visiting it again and again. The climate of this place, the atmosphere, and more than that, the happiness it brings cannot be described in words. Nuwara is also home to one of the most romantic waterfalls in Sri Lanka, Lovers Sleep Waterfall. Lovers Sleep Waterfall is located just a 3-kilometer ride from Nuwara town. This was my second day in Nuwara. After exploring many places in Nuwara, this was my last stop before heading back home. You can check out my other Nuwara stories in the description below. The hike to the waterfall takes about 20 minutes from the main entrance. But if you are hiking through the petrol estate, it will take longer than that. It's a peaceful trail with beautiful scenery and wide views of the surrounding trees, which make the hike even more enjoyable. This waterfall is not only offers an immersive experience, but is also a vital source of drinking water for the locals in the nearby village. I wanted to try this water myself because it's naturally filtered by nature without any added chemicals. Lovers Sleep Waterfall is fed by streams originating from Pidurudalagala mountain, which is the Sri Lanka's highest mountain. The water cascading from the falls is collected and stored in a place to supply the petrol estate and the surrounding local communities. This water supply plays a vital role in the importance of the waterfall. This waterfall is perfect escape to recharge your mind and soul. As usual, I found myself lost in the natural beauty for a moment. From here, you can enjoy these breathtaking views of the countryside and distant villages. There is an old story tied up this waterfall's name, passed down through generation and generations. A long time ago, a prince went hunting in the jungle and got lost. A village girl helped him find his way out, and the prince fell in love with her. But the queen didn't accept their relationship. The prince and the girl decided to jump from the top of the waterfall, believing that they would be united after death. This is the story behind the name of Lovers Sleep Waterfall. Stay tuned for the next and final stories of Escape to Nuwara.